Hi guys, this is NASDAQ Guru speaking. Today we are going to be talking about some strategy which I want to share with you guys. It's a free strategy which can help you MEDA, USDT, Gold, and NAS100 and other currency pairs, which are the major currency pairs. So before we start, guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Okay, so now we are going to start on our indices. We are going to start with gold. So we know already before we analyze the whole market, we start by going to our daily time frame so we can identify our lower lows and our higher highs and everything that we need to identify, which is very important. So before we start, we are going to take our horizontal ray and identify our important levels, and the strategy which I'm going to share with you, it's about focusing on the current market. We don't focus on the whole market now, because when you're focusing on the whole market, it seems like you are wasting your time and doing some things. So focusing on the whole market can help you to identify the structure of the market and see how the market is. Like now, if you can take your trend line from there up there and take it down, you will see what is happening, but it won't be accurate. So we are going to focus only on the current market. So let us move forward and go to our 4-hour time frame so that you can see what is happening there. Okay, this is our 4-hour time frame. So yeah, what I'm going to do here is we are going to check why is gold buying right now. The reason is this level here, we have a double, we can call it a double bottom, or a triple bottom, because we have a touch here, which is a possible touch which can make us have a triple bottom. So yeah, okay, moving forward, we are going to check some things here. Let me take my trend line, and now we are applying a price action. We are going to see why is gold keep on pushing up, why is gold keep on pushing up, and how and when will gold sell. So here's our trend line, and then you can see we have a very great pattern here. So yeah, okay, don't forget to put your, so guys, due to my understanding, Gold is going to buy. We can see this level here. You can see what was happening right here. So since gold is buying and now it seems like it's rejecting here, and we are looking for a sell up until this trend line, and then we're going to look for a continuation upward, and then again we're going to come back down here because of which level? Because of this level. So we need to check all those important levels on our 4-hour time frame, and then after that we are going to again expect gold to go up again up until this level, and then again we are going to take our rectangle and then put it right here. So this is what is going to happen exactly on gold. So let us be very careful. My target for gold is gold to reach this level and create a new higher high. This is what I'm expecting on gold. I'm expecting gold to go up here, which can take days, weeks, even months, because we know that the market doesn't move straight, but the market moves, we know it moves impulsively, and then correction, impulse, and then correction. It can make an correction for hours and hours. Even the impulse, it can goes for about 8 to 10 hours, depending on which time frame we are using. So about the strategy, I'm going to show you right now. We use the strategy on a 4-hour, and then with the strategy you don't need your chart to be drawn with many things like trend lines, what. You just need to identify your important levels, your just to know, or you need many confirmations. Just like here we see that gold is buying, we know why is gold buying. So what you need here, guys, you need to have your rectangle. Sorry, you need to have your rectangle. I'm going to show you on a previous market why did it sell here. So what we do now, we use our box. This is called a box strategy. You just use your box, and then you are done. You highlight that correction on your 4-hour time frame, and then you will see we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 candlesticks in this box, but the 8 candlestick broke out, and it broke out impulsively and then created another correction right here. So the reason why we sold here is because of this level here. This is the main reason why we sold up until here, and then for us to buy here, it is because of this level. So yeah, and then for us to know the market is going to sell, like here on our box strategy, we need to move on a 1-hour time frame, and then you will see how it looks like. So yeah, so if we can check here, we are having our small correction, or we can say a ranging market, but it's a correction in other words. So we can see the market was moving down, up, down, up, down, up, until it broke our level here impulsively. So what you need to know on this strategy, you need to know that the market, once it breaks impulsively, it will never go back to test the level anywhere. Even if the market can break the trend line impulsively, just know that the market won't go back to test the level, because when it breaks impulsively, it shoots like it spikes. Like here we can see that it spiked on a 1 hour time frame until right here. For 3 hours it kept on pushing downwards. So yeah, that is how we identify our strategy. And then even though the current market, let me try on checking. We're going back to our 4 hour time frame. Okay, we can see here we're having something right here. You need to make sure that your levels are accurate. And then a 4 hour time frame, and then so after that you are going, so we can see here it even broke and then came back to test the level, and then it went back down. And then because of this level it has to go up, but we see why it broke here. So we are going back to 1 hour to check if our analysis and our strategy is agreeing with us. So we can see it was going up, down, testing the same level. And then we know that here in the market, if the structure of the market keeps on touching our resistance and support, resistance, support, resistance, support, we know that our resistance or our support is going to lose a strength. Because if you can take a hammer and break a wall, try breaking a wall, even if the wall is very hard, you can beat it for days, but the wall will become weaker. So this is what you are seeing right here. We can see that it has been doing this for hours. Like it's a daily time frame, it's a 1 hour time frame here, but you can see Hore, we have more than 24 or 48 hours since it has been doing this. If you can check these candlesticks, count them, you can see that it has been on a ranging market. We can take this as a ranging market because it has been longer. It was very, very long. So it broke here impulsively, but it chose to come down here, and then it went back to test this level and then sell. So a lot who knows this strategy did benefit from it. And then it went back up, and then again it went up until this level. So yeah, so guys, if you can use this strategy, you will see what will happen. You are not going to regret. Even here, you can see what happened. It broke this level, and then now it's shooting up. So what I'm expecting for gold, I'm expecting gold to keep on pushing higher and higher. Like I'm expecting it to go higher and higher. This is what I'm looking for here right now on gold. My target is on this level, which is level 1824,640. This is where I'm going to put my TP for today. It might come to this level maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow. We don't know because we don't control the market. We just predict the market. So now let's go to our NAS 100, and then we are going to check on NAS 100. As you can see, NAS 100 has been respecting me, guys, since I analyzed it. So on NAS 100, I'm going to show you only my analysis and the strategy. Let me go to my 4 hour, and I'm going to explain what was happening here on the NAS 100. So we can see we're having a 1, 2, 3 touch on our resistance trend line, and on our support trend line we're only having 1, 2, 3 touches, which made our structure very accurate. So guys, I also had some box strategies here. So I applied a strategy. I knew that the market sorry guys, I'm having some cold, so I'm very, very sorry. So yeah, if we can check here now, guys, on this on this black box, we can see that the market kept on going up, down, and then until it broke impulsively, and it didn't come back down to test this level again. It went up and up, and here I can say I didn't put my box strategy, but I knew that the strategy will work here until the market broke impulsively, and here again, and then you see what happened here again. It broke impulsively again, and then now what we are going to do is okay, we are going to wait, because now we can see that the market is busy creating a consolidation or a ranging market, we can say. So yeah, let me go to my 1 hour so that I can check, because we know the structure is going to get tired, guys. So you can see here in the previous market what was happening. So you see what you see until it went up here. So I knew that the market, but I was expecting the market to buy here, but it didn't do so. It kept on until it will get until the support, until our resistance level became weak, and then it broke and then came back to test the level, and then it pushed even higher. So now we are waiting for it to, since you can see that it's busy up, down, and up and down. Now it's going up, and then we're going to expect it to come down. So, but because NASDAQ, we all know that NASDAQ is going to buy up until, so it's creating new higher highs. Like NASDAQ is busy creating new higher highs. So we are not sure that when will NASDAQ reject and sell. So yeah, guys. But let me go to a daily time frame and check whether NASDAQ will take because you can see even here on we can see here that it's a new higher high for this year. So yeah, I think NASDAQ is going to buy, like we are going to expect it to come up until on this level. This trend line needs 1 2 3. So we see, guys, what is happening here. So yeah, this is how I'm expecting it to go. Now let me go to NZD USD and then check for some things. So guys, here on my NZD USD, I analyzed it with my group members. So we can see what is happening here. We are having a W. So now we're expecting it to sell up until here, but let's go to 4-hour time frame. So yeah, what we see here, and guys, remember, patterns are very, very important. On currencies, you need to know your patterns, because currencies are very, very easier to kill them. So yeah, this is what is going to happen, guys. This is where we are going to expect our TP. We are going to expect our TP here. And sorry, guys, for making my chart this dirty, but it is what it is, guys. Let me remove all the drawings, and then let me show you this level. So I took my sell here with my group members. We took a sell right here. Now we are going to put our TP right here on this level. This is where we are going to put our TP. So yeah, So yeah, guys, you just need to understand your market structure. Like, you just need to know everything. You can see that I didn't focus on the previous market. Even if I did focus on the previous market, I was going to see what is going to happen because of the current market. You just need to focus on your current market and be patient, because it takes patience only. We only take patience. Let us go to our 1 hour time frame and see. So you see what is happening here. 1, 2, 3, and then until, guys, like, it on the NFP, the market was right here, and then we took our buy with the group members up until here. So today it reached our level, and then we took our sell, because we know what is happening here. You know, the market won't just but I'm not saying it's impossible. We know that it can't just do this. It can't just betray us. That's why we are very confident about it selling until this support and resistance levels becomes weaker, and then we are going to see where the market will go. Thank you, guys. I hope you learned a lot from this strategy and from my analysis. I hope a lot will be helped by this analysis, because some mentors are hiding their analysis. They're only showing their results to students. So if you want to join my group, guys, inbox me. I will leave my numbers on the description, and I will please join my Telegram group, where I share my strategies, I share my analysis, I even share my signals there for free. Everything is for free, and then mentorship is also available, but mentorship is not for free. So thank you, guys, for your time, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Up until we meet, thank you, guys. Thank you very much, guys.